Hey guys, again, another project. I'm gonna be making this useless box, because I made one out of Legos once, with the EV3 set. I liked it, but it was just temporary, so I'm gonna make this and make it permanent. This is made by Graphelix? I don't know. But I'm gonna be making this useless box. I'm actually going to be use the modified one because I have an Arduino Pro Mini Extra. I don't have whatever the other dude was using, and I don't have the servos he has. I have these servos though, the 9Gs. So I downloaded these parts and I put them into Slicer. So as you see, I sliced it. These aren't all the parts. I'm gonna print these in blue. The next set I'm gonna print in yellow. So yeah, these things don't need support material, and as you see, there is a big overhang, but it should print fine. So the blue parts just finished printing. I heard them starting to pop off the bed, so I thought it would be a good time to take them off, but they're still sticking. I'm just so impatient. Guess I'll wait more. When the bed cools, they literally just come right off. I love it. Sometimes. Because sometimes it just stays stuck forever like these. But they should just come off. If you try it a little. Yeah. Oof. It's a big bridge, but it did it. I'm proud of you, little boy. Girl, whatever your gender is. This printer. I changed the color. I'm gonna print the next in yellow. I just moved my camera. God damn it. Alright, so I have Octoprint right here. Click the yellow box and then click print. The bed's gotta heat up. Everything finished printing. Everything came off. I gave it time, unlike last time. Oh god, I just did that, didn't I? In Prusa Slicer, there's a feature where you can put supports on just one thing, which I thought's pretty cool. I wanted to add brims to only these, but there was no way to do that. So they should add that. My Arduino. Oh, I just realized this has the pins on it. It may not fit. I was going to program the Arduino Pro Mini and my FTDI adapter, the pins on the jack, mini USB jack, the pin just broke off of it. So I just took it off and then I tried to solder the wires back on. I got the 5 volts and I got the ground, but I don't know where to put the data wires. And I don't have a small enough soldering iron to solder them onto those pins. Well, like, I did with this white wire. I had this on there, but it literally just broke off. I plugged it in and it said it wasn't being recognized. It was like, it says it was damaged or something. I can program this still, but like, I want to fix this. Oh yeah, I'll just buy a new one. Wait another 8 weeks for it. Oh well. So that happened. Anyways, I got the switch mounted. Got the battery in place. I also need a battery connector. I have no clue where it went. More issues. I don't know if I showed you this, but I got this mounted. And I got the servo in there. Cut the wires. I gotta solder them onto here. I don't know if I told you, but I cut the pins off it. The pins off of this. It kind of hurt. So I'm gonna solder those on. Once I program this though, I think I have to cut those off. It's gonna hurt even more. Because if you look here, they don't really fit. There's a screw hole there, and this pin is in the way. Okay, I got the code uploaded to the Pro Mini. I just looked, it's a Pro Mini, not a Pro Micro. I just uploaded the code to this with an Arduino I had. So I didn't need that FTDI adapter. So to upload the code to this little thing, I had to take the Arduino chip out, and then I just basically connected these into basically the same pins. And I also had to connect a jumper from the reset on the Arduino to a ground. So make sure you do that. And when you're uploading the code, when it's done compiling, you have to click the reset button on the Pro Mini, or else it will not upload. I didn't know that till now. So make sure you click this reset button once it says uploading. Once it does that, these lights should blink. The transmitting and receiving. They may just blink once if you did it wrong. That's how you upload it to this with an Arduino. So I kind of forgot to put this on, and I am not unscrewing this again. This thing was a pain to put together. Literal pain. I still have to fix this, like, doesn't close. It needs, like, needs a spring. And turn it on. As you hear, the servo is struggling. I think it's hitting against something. If I push it down a little more, it stops struggling. It does work. Oops, it got stuck there. What if I hold it? Yeah, if you hold it, it gets stuck. Yeah, so that may happen. There's also... Yeah, see this? It's a tease mode. I'm gonna put a little pressure on here so it closes. See, it just teases you. That happens if you click it a lot in a row. So now it should tease. Well, it should tease. No, it hasn't. Now it should, because I did it 4 times. Okay, I am confused. Because on the thingy it says it should. At least 4 clicks with less than 2 seconds between them. The box starts to tease the player. Well, it hasn't been doing that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That was weird. Alright. Well, anyways, I guess that's it. See you in the next video. This was fun and just very painful to do. I didn't even have the right screws, so that made it even worse. I kind of went through with one of the screws. It was too long. Whatever. And I accidentally drilled that hole through. Doesn't matter. This isn't flat anymore. Turn it on. And flip the switch. As you see, it doesn't really close because I need that weight. Yeah. So it's not broken. It actually works very good. I like it. Yeah, this is really fun. So it works. Just gotta get the weight again. So yeah, and you see it's teasing us right now. You know, I'm never gonna get it. But guess what I can do? I can turn it off and then... boom. Sucker. Wait, what if I turn it on? Does it turn... Does it know? It knows. Nice. Yeah, so yeah, this is a fun project. Very hard one, though. I thought it was hard. Yeah, very complicated. Well, not complicated. It was okay. So see you in the next video. I'm probably gonna be reviewing something I got in the mail from China. Well, yeah, China. Oh, see you in the next one.